Hey guys, welcome to Smoky Oak Barbecue Company. Happy Memorial Day. Last night we did our annual Crawfish Boil, and going into it, my plan was to do an in-depth, step-by-step instructional video on how we boil crawfish. We had a couple of guests come over, and in the midst of talking to my buddies, entertaining guests, kids running around, jumping in and out of the swimming pool, I didn't do the best job at being very in-depth and thorough with my instructions. I'm gonna put the video out there anyway. Hopefully you'll learn something. You can follow along the process that we do to boil crawfish. But in the future, I plan to do a smaller boil just for my family and myself, so that I can really be more in-depth and more thorough on a step-by-step basis of how we go about boiling crawfish. I hope you guys enjoy the video nonetheless. I hope everyone has a very safe holiday weekend. Thank you so much to all the men and women in the armed services who are sacrificed and have sacrificed so much, past and present, for the freedoms that we enjoy in this great country. God bless you all, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy this video, guys. All right, so we're using Louisiana Crawfish Boil. We're doing like 20 pounds, so I think we need, this is a 4.5 pounds. We don't need 4.5 pounds, maybe like 2 pounds. So we're gonna do about half of that.
There's a coin over here. No.
About like that. And then we'll get some liquid crab boil and some hot sauce and some other stuff. All right, liquid crab boil, we have, this is 16 ounces. We'll probably use about, what, half that bottle? About like that.
There you go.
There it go right there. All right. Trappy's Bull, Louisiana hot sauce. Gotta have it. About like that.
There you go.
There it go. Right. So we got a stick of butter. We have about a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. You really want to use white distilled vinegar, but I don't have any. So we're going to use apple cider vinegar because this is going to help the crawfish tails slide out of there easier. Pour it in. So we're going to start putting our
Try to put on my blue jeans though.
ingredients in. Got some taters, new potatoes.
Not old ones.
Not old ones, new ones.
New ones.
Smoked sausage, andouille sausage, Cajun style. In there. We've got some Georgia Vidalia onions, quartered up, and some celery. Never done celery before, but I think it could be pretty cool. And we'll get some lemons and put in there, and then we'll let that come up to a boil. A couple of lemons, squeeze them out real good. Just drop them in there. We're gonna put the lid on there, if I can find it, and we're gonna let that come up to a rolling boil. All right, so we're gonna have to wash our crawfish while our other stuff is boiling. So I've got a wash cooler here. We're going to open the sack, pour them in there, and then we'll just run water over it until the water comes clean. Because these things come out of the swamp, man. I mean, they're not clean. They got mud, grass, and no telling what. So we'll just start basically filling this up with water until that water, you know, it'll fill up and run out the top and run out the drain or whatever. And we'll just keep doing it until it runs clean. Purge them with salt. I don't ever do that, but I'm probably not an expert crawfisherman or crawfish cooker. I just do it the way I've always done it. we're gonna be ready to boil in a minute. So we're gonna put these back in there. It will cool down, but then we'll let it come back up to a boil. We'll put some garlic in there with them. Squeeze a little bit more lemon juice. And once that boils, we'll let them boil. Let them boil for about 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Put the lid back on. So we've been boiling for about 3 minutes. They are floating, looking really good. So we're going to turn the heat off. We are going to turn the heat off. And then we're going to cool it down. You know how we're going to cool it down? We're going to cool it down. We cut our corn, our fresh corn, into thirds. And then we froze it. So it'll be nice and cool. I'm going to put that in there. Like that. Probably better. And we're going to stir that up. Ow. Let that water cool down. It is important to let it cool down quickly, because you want to stop cooking. And then we'll put a bag of ice in there. And then I'm going to spray the edges of it with water. I promise I won't spray y'all. Maybe. So we're in for a 20-minute soak. And we'll be ready to eat. All right. So we are ready to go. We're going to pour them out. We got Braxton as our cameraman. What's our plan here? We're just going to dump them this way?
I reckon.
I guess so, huh?
I hope everybody...
Here, Braxton, get a good shot of that right there before we dump it. Oh, yes.
Got some scrimp in
Man,
there.
that smells amazing. Looks so good.
Scrimp looks good too.
Yeah. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Yes.
Oh.
Look at.
Nice.
Let me get this in the camera.
Get it down in that.
Hold on, here you go. Here you go.
Finally got it.